Chords. What a sweet little sappy song from the 80s, but it was super, iconic and recognizable. And I'm going to teach it to you in under 3 minutes. I'm Steve. I hope you're doing just, fantastic. And because we got to get through this one fast, and I got the shortest guitar lessons on YouTube, let's move to the close-up cam over here. So we're in a G major. Now, most of it, though, relies on playing a G major with the 3rd fret on the B string, like that. So play a G, and this is a beginner's lesson. You don't have to finger pick. You could use a pick. You can go like this. It sounds great, but if you want, finger pick it like this. But either way, low note of the G, and then hit those top 2 notes up there that I just did of the G. And now, because you got a G major, hit the next string on the G, like that, and hit those same 2 notes again. So all you've done is play a G, but I just take that finger off just to make it a little easier. And then you go to a C major, and you're still leaving those notes right there, camped out on the 3rd fret of the E and the B, but you're playing a C major. And then just move that note on the 3rd fret of the A string down 1 fret like this, like that. And you're leaving these fingers here again. And now play an A minor and add the pinky to it and take the pinky off. And now play a C major. So every time you're going low, high, and now a D7th. A D7th. Check out the link in the description for the chord notes, and then do it again. And you pop it afterwards. That's what makes it cool. Check this out. And even if you got a pick, you can do it. Sort of just pop it. Don't bang a hole in your guitar. And then after that, it goes into E minor. Just trust C major, D7th, G, D major, but if you can add your thumb on the 2nd fret, E minor, More Than Words, A minor, D7th. Now this is pretty cool, a G7th. It's basically a G, but instead of that note, it's on the 1st fret. C major, and a pretty hard one to play, not that hard, C minor, G, That You Love Me, E minor, because A minor is I Know, and D7, and back into the whole thing. It sounds really daunting, but at the end of the day, it's just a couple chords, and if you learn to go low, high, and sort of pop those strings, it makes for an awesome song. Okay, I don't know whether I'm over 3 minutes, but if I am, just, deal with it. No, I'm just kidding. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Let me know what you think and how you did, and I'll catch you next time for another 3 or 4 minute guitar lesson here with Steve. Later.